Today I'm going to show you the best dash cams for cars and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Front Enhanced Night Vision Dash Cam with 128GB, price, $179.89. If you want clear footage with plenty of storage, this dash cam is designed for everyday driving and longer trips. The 128GB capacity gives you more room to save important recordings, while enhanced night vision is useful for evening commutes and low-light driving. It can help you keep a record of what happens on the road when visibility is limited. At this price, it is worth considering if storage and nighttime recording are important features for your driving needs. Number 2. Nolyth 4K Dash Cam 3-channel, price, $139.99. Looking for broader coverage than a standard front-facing dash cam? The Nolyth 4K Dash Cam 3-channel is designed to capture footage from multiple angles, helping you record more of what's happening around your vehicle. Its 4K recording provides detailed video, while the 3-channel setup can be useful for everyday commuting, road trips, and documenting important incidents. At $139.99, it's a practical option for drivers who want multi-camera coverage without moving into a much higher price range. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K DUAL PRO Dash Cam, price, $206.49. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL PRO Dash Cam is designed for drivers who want high-resolution recording with front and rear coverage. The 4K recording can capture detailed footage from the road ahead, while the dual camera setup provides additional visibility behind your vehicle. That can be useful for daily commuting, road trips, and recording important moments on the road. At $206.49, this is a higher-priced option for drivers looking for a more advanced dual dash cam setup. Number 4. IIWEY N6 4K 6-channel dash cam, price, $139.99. If maximum camera coverage is your priority, the IIWEY N6 4K 6-channel dash cam offers a 6-channel setup for recording multiple areas around your vehicle. More camera views can be especially useful for everyday driving, parking, and capturing incidents from different angles. It also features parking monitoring and G-sensor technology, which can help record while your vehicle is parked and protect important footage when an impact is detected. At $139.99, it's worth checking out for drivers who want extensive coverage. Number 5. 70mm 3-channel recording dash cam T800E, price, $99.99. The 70mm 3-channel recording dash cam T800E is a solid option for drivers who want more coverage than a standard single-camera system. Its 3-channel design can record from multiple areas, making it useful for daily commuting, road trips, and documenting important incidents. Having multiple camera views can give you more context when reviewing footage later. At $99.99, this model is worth considering if you're looking for a multi-channel dash cam at a more accessible price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.